friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to make old-fashioned rhubarb cookies. So in my pot here I have 1 cup of butter that's been at room temperature, and I'm going to cream that together with 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And then I'm going to add 2 eggs that have been sitting out to room temperature as well. And then I've got my ingredients that are going to go in next, my dry ingredients. And they are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups of quick cooking oatmeal, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and that'll go in next. And then when that gets all mixed in together, I'm going to pour in my 1.5 cups of finely chopped rhubarb. So this is what we have for our mixture. That's what it should look like as it's all mixed together. So now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to prepare my pans by greasing them lightly. So while my cookies are baking, I have got, in this bowl, I'm making the cream cheese frosting. And I've got 1/4 of a block of an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And I've got 4 tablespoons of softened butter. And I've got a teaspoon of vanilla, and I have mixed that together, and now I'm going to add in 2 cups of the powdered sugar. So I'll do that, and I'll probably add a tablespoon or 2 of milk to make it creamier. So here we have it, our old-fashioned rhubarb cookies. Now, I have iced some of these, and my recipe made a total of 50 cookies, the size that I have made them here, and I cooked them at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. Now that will vary according to your oven, but no more than 15 to 18 minutes for sure. Then my cream cheese icing, I ended up using just 1 tablespoon of milk in with my recipe, which was 4 tablespoons of softened butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and only 1 teaspoon of the milk. And I mixed that all up, and as you see, there's lots for the rest of these cookies. So if you've got rhubarb growing in your garden and you don't know what you want to do with it, maybe you'd like to try this recipe. It's really kind of good. So if you've liked this video, please like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. Thanks for watching. Bye now.